Hi, I'm Dave, and I am a UX and a product designer. And recently, I have been exploring vibe coding. Vibe coding is basically where you write a prompt and AI does the coding. You don't manually write any code. And this video is about me documenting my experience with vibe coding, the different tools that I explored, the different projects that I explored within this, and yeah. So starting off with the very first project, which is a color palette generator. So this one is similar to UI colors by Tailwind, where when you enter a color code here, you get different shades for that color code, and you can copy them and use them in whatever that is you're designing. And for this project, I started off with cursor first. So I'll also take you to the actual output. So as you see here, a color code is mentioned and we have outputs for it. You can even copy them. And as part of the scaling, what I was trying to do is adding secondary color for this primary color. So, and also with the secondary color, you can get some insight of how the contrast ratio is. So as you see here, a white color is not a good contrast for this primary color that we have added. But if we change the color to a little darker, let's take black, for example. This is a good fit for this primary color. So I was just exploring that, pretty basic. And I also tried this in Lovable, and it gave me a good interface overall. This looks very similar to UI colors, but it does look better than what we had. So this was about the first project. Uh, Now going on to the second one. Second one is a virtual office. For this one, I got a little ambitious, I feel, where the ambitious part was for the interface because I felt like I was creating something that is a little complex for this model right now. But overall function was very simple. I was just trying to create a simple web page with micro interactions. So I'll again go to the actual output for this. So I started off with Lovable first, and what I wanted to do was I wanted to design this here and then take this to Cursor and build upon this. So the interface that you see here is from Lovable, and it did a decent job in terms of how the interface looks and how the animations it has given me, and it looks overall fine. And after this, I tried the same thing in VO by Vercel, where the interface was not very good overall, I feel, but it did try understanding and capturing the interactions that I was looking for. So this is by Vercel, and what I did after this was I took a code from Lovable and I put it in Cursor, which did not work out well, which is why I had to try the whole thing again from scratch with Cursor, and this is what it gave me. So this was about the second one, and now going on to the last one, which is a Housey number picker, where this is a very basic number picker for a game where you pick a number and it will be marked here for your game, Housey. And again, going to the actual output. So as you see here, I can pick a number, it gets marked here, and it also has a phrase attached to it. When we actually play Housey, we do say some funny phrases along with the number that is being picked. So this is how it was. And again, for this project, I started off with Lovable, where I wanted to create the design first and then take this to Cursor. So I did that, and since this was a dark themed purple color, I wanted to explore making it lighter and I tried making it a little different looking than what it was before. So this is the version where I took the code from Lovable and put it into Cursor, and which is why you still see the gradient. The tool was not able to capture what I was trying to create with flat colors or a minimalist look overall. So I started the project again with Cursor only, and this is what it gave me overall. It was running well, it worked well. So this is what it was, and this is the last project. This is what I did with vibe coding. I'm still learning this, and if you have any resources that can help me more, do share it with me. And thanks for watching.